Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol's Business Wrap. Here are the top headlines for today. Mutual funds turn bullish on the India consumption growth story. Nifty Sensex edged slightly higher as investors eye Jackson Hole auto stock surge. Ola Electric shares fall 6% as profit booking follows post-IPO rally. Tata Tech block deal PE firm Alpha TC sells over 75 lakh shares, reports CNBC Awaaz. DGCA fines Air India Rs 98 lakh for operating flights with non-qualified crew members. Let's look at each of these stories in detail. Mutual funds are betting big on consumption as a theme as the segment is witnessing significant growth, driven by increasing per capita income and a shift in consumer spending patterns. While fund managers across the industry are bullish on the segment, Axis Mutual Fund is the latest to jump on the bandwagon by launching a consumption theme NFO, which opened on 22nd of August. The last 1 year has seen Kotak AMC and Quant Mutual Fund also launching schemes focusing on consumption as a theme. Benchmark indices Nifty and Sensex ended the week on a muted note, closing just higher as investors await US Fed Chair Jerome Powell's commentary at the Jackson Hole Symposium, scheduled for later today. The development gains significance as a dovish stance from the Fed could likely mean an interest rate cut in its September meeting, the first time since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the close, the Sensex was up 95.23 points or 0.12% at 81,148.42, and the Nifty was up 22.30 points or 0.09% at 24,833.80. About 1,798 shares advanced while 1,601 shares declined, whereas 81 shares remain unchanged. Ola recently said that its mass market scooters S1X3KWH and S1X4KWH were granted certification for compliance under the production-linked incentive scheme for the automobile and auto companies. Ola Electric Mobility share price fell 6% to Rs 130 in the early trade as investors sought to book partial profits after the stock doubled from its IPO price of Rs 76. After listing on 9th August, Ola's electric share price soared over 100% to a peak of Rs 157.4. Tata Technologies saw a large block trade on stock exchanges on 23rd August as private equity firm Alpha TC Holdings sold over 75 lakh shares in the range of Rs 1,010 and Rs 1,020 per share, reported CNBC Awaaz citing sources. Domestic funds and high net worth individuals are the buyers in the trade, while ICICI Securities is likely to be the broker of the deal, the channel reported. The DGCA has imposed a fine of Rs 98 lakh on Air India for operating flights with non-qualified crew members, the aviation regulators said in a statement on 23rd August. Additionally, the Civil Aviation Watchdog imposed a fine of Rs 6 lakh and Rs 3 lakh on Director Operations and Director Training of Air India, respectively. Air India operated a flight commanded by a non-trainer line captain paired with a non-line released first officer, which has been viewed by the regulator as a serious scheduling incident having significant safety ramifications.